revolution treatment and argan oil. Step by step. After shampooing, rough towel dry hair about 90%. And start applying the hair restructuring cream from root to end, taking in small sections. Continue until all hair is covered, combing through from time to time. Leave for 20 to 30 minutes depending on desired results. Thoroughly with water only. Apply S.O.S mask and leave for 3 to 6 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Apply argan oil generously to hair, combing through with fingers. The argan oil will help restore strength and shine to the hair, as well as protecting against heat damage. Blow dry hair completely and flat iron each section started from the nape of the neck. Do this 8 times over the whole head until all hair is straightened. Now just enjoy life with beautiful, shiny, straight hair.